On the beat, that's DJ Dix. That's DJ Dix. On the beat, that's DJ Dix. Beat go down, go silly.
So guys, this is my tub area, and as you guys can see, I still have the little mustard yellow, two things right there, and then up on the wall we have three things on the wall, which, you know, it's very suitable for a bathroom. I really do like these three pieces right here. So when you enter, you just see bam with a little touch of yellow. Then we have the yellow rug on the floor right here also, which is beautiful, the mustard yellow. And then right over here we have the shower area, and this is where, you know, we take a shower. So this is it. It's a good little space. Yeah, 2-3 persons can hold inside. You know, so the bath is right there, the tub rather is right there, and then the shower area is right here. And that's the window to outside. We never close this window. I have a scale right here, and then we have the toilet in an area by itself. Nothing really fancy. We just have a little thing on the wall right there. For the toilet, I wanted to put flowers on top there, but for now we just have the air freshener and some flushable wipes if we need that, the tissues, everything. So this area, you come in, you use the toilet and you close it back, and that's what's up. So I like that the toilet has, you know, a door, you can close it. So right here is a shower. I can be taking a shower, and Christian can be in the toilet using the toilet also.
No. Me I take a shower, you in the toilet I use it.
So this is it. Perfect space. I love it. Okay guys, so this is my bathroom. This is how it looks from the room end. So I'm in my bedroom right now, and we're gonna step into the bathroom, and this is it. It's beautiful. I love it. It's clean always. Right here we have a little dish, decorative dish. We have a plant with, you know, yellow to represent the mustard, and then we have these two stuff. I got these at home. They are beautiful. I don't remember the price. Oh, this one is $14.99, and then this piece is $24.99. So these two pieces, they are from At Home. The dish is from Home Goods. I think this is maybe, if it's not $24.99, it's also $14.99. And then this plant is also from, is either Ross or At Home. Not At Home, Home Goods. So this is it, the little dish right there. If you guys come to this area, we do have a little dish. I got this dish from Ross. It was $9.99. We have these cups from our Old Home. The soap dispenser and the one for the toothbrush. I took my toothbrush out, and this I used the Bath and Body Works foam hand wash. They are so nice. And then this, I think I got it from Home Goods. It was $5.99, and I just put cotton swabs in it. So right at this area we have this and a paper towel. I need a thing for this. The one I had, I put it in the kids' bathroom because every time they use a paper towel in their bathroom, they make it drop. So I took this one out, put it in their bathroom. So this is it. This area, we have two sides, one side for me and one side for Cushing, and we have the matching bin right here for the soap dispenser and the other thing. We had that from the old home, so we have that, the same thing right there. And right here, if you look carefully, we have the rug. Guys, these rugs are from Bed Bath and Beyond. I think this piece, if it wasn't $59.99, it was $69.99, expensive. And then this one I think was $29.99. I really do love it, the mustard. I purchased these when I just moved in. So we have these rugs. The first day we moved in and I got my vacuum, I purchased these the same time. These are maybe like 2 months after we moved in, or 6 weeks after I purchased those. And these, I saw these and I said, whoa, the mustard yellow with the gray, because if you guys look, it have the gray on the ends, so it will go perfect. And look right there. So this area right here is my favorite. It's just something simple. I did get these at Bed Bath and Beyond. I had these from the old home, so I decided to do the gray with the mustard because I had two different grays at the hole where we used to live before. So because I decided to get this rug, I was like, I saw these towels and I got them. I think this one was $5.99, and then yeah, the bigger one was a little bit more, but I had these from the old home. And this piece right here, I think this was from this is from the old home also, $29.99 or $39.99 rather. But this piece right here, it's beautiful. And this is from Home Goods, yes. So this is the area right here. I like it, I like it. And then this is the door to close the bathroom. You know, we'll put the towels right here, but I took them off. And then this is a linen closet where I keep my stuff, like my deodorant, lotion, whatever is in this closet, tissues for this bathroom, everything is in this closet. But this area, I like it, the gray and the mustard. I want you guys to grade me and tell me how did I do. I need to show you guys how I fold these. It's something simple, it's not a biggie, but this is it. And then I love this. They also have this in gold. It's really beautiful. It's a beautiful piece. And this is the angle. Then we have the toilet right there, and so on. So guys, this is my bathroom. It's nice, it's spacious, it's nice. You see, with the touch of yellow and the gray, it's not too much. I wanted to put something on that wall, but I was like, nope, it needs nothing. That's perfectly fine. We actually had this piece right there and I moved it because I wanted the toilet area to have a little flair to it. And this is a dish that comes with the bathroom set. It's a very nice piece. I think I got these from at home from the first house. That's my flushable wipes, air freshener. I wanted a little plant right there, like I said to you guys. And we had this piece from the old home also. I think this is from Ross. So you know, it's the gray, the yellow and stuff like that. And that's what's up. So yes guys, I want you guys to tell me how you like my bathroom. Tell me if I did a good job. Give it a thumbs up if you like this video. And the bathroom is clean. I just had somebody came in and clean because I'm not doing cleaning right now, like the bathroom areas. We haven't used this, so that is always clean, but you know, you still have to wipe it out and stuff like that. These are the yellow piece, and then we have these three pieces right here. They are beautiful. They fit the bathroom area. I think I got these at Ross. They came, I think they came together, I'm not sure, But it's nice when you enter that area, you see it in that corner right there. And then there goes our shower. You know, that thing is to scrub our backs and stuff like that. But this is my little area in my bathroom. It's spacious, it's lovely, it's perfect. 2 sinks for me and Christine, don't mind me. And yeah, I do like it. So comment down below and tell me what you guys think. The little gray, and tell me what you guys think. The gray and, you know, the little mustard to it, you know what I'm saying. But yeah guys, I hope you guys like this video. Give it a thumbs up, you know, tell a friend, make sure you subscribe, make sure you watch my videos, make sure you leave a comment and just tell me how did I do. If you like it, you know, let me know. If you don't, that's fine. You can also leave a comment. We're not here to judge, but this is it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate you guys. Stay blessed, stay safe, stay prayed up, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.